Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to cut pineapple. Reason why I show you how to cut pineapple because a lot of people don't know how to cut either, and they don't know how to pick up this one the right one to eat either. So I wanna share with you how to pick up pineapple when you go to market. This one only $1.99, so cheap, unbelievable. I have to tell you my story. I went to Hawaii, Maui, Hawaii. You know, this is like almost $10 just for one. They sell by pound, $1.99 $2.49 a pound. You know this one, like almost $10. And come back home to Maryland, where I am, Maryland, only $1.99. You go to Korean markets, Asian market, $1.99. Unbelievable because it's just so cheap. Where we at Hawaii, they say they plant pineapple, but they're so expensive. That's crazy. You know, that's no wonder everybody struggle over there to say it's so expensive. But I want to share with you how to cut pineapple, how to pick the pineapple. Okay, if you see the green like this, go ahead, pick it up. Or the green one like this, don't say it's not ready to eat yet. This is the right one. The green one is the right one to pick. Okay, if you go too yellow like this, you see yellow the bottom like this is over yellow. Is not good. Gonna be smell like old smell, like not fresh. Okay, this is the key, the technique how to pick up pineapple. So don't pick up the yellow, but this one okay because on the top it's green. That's why I pick up it. But if you see for whole pineapple like this, don't buy, guys. Don't buy. Okay, you have to looking for the nice and fresh green that way. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and share with you how to cut because a lot of people don't know how to cut. I've been cut one already, but I realized, you know what, I have to share with you guys because a lot of people don't know how to cut. This is one already, $1.99, one cut right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to cut right now. Okay, first I'm gonna put the napkin in the cutting board like this. Okay, because the pineapple kind of have a lot of crumb, a dirty crumb, so you put in there like that. Cut the bottoms out. This is, if you see whole thing yellow like that, don't buy. But this is okay because see that in the bottom in yellow, this is no good. See, that's not good like that. So throw away. And now I'm gonna cut the head off. And you see that the green head like this, fresh, right? The green one fresh. Okay, now like that because they have the dirty crumb. Take off this one, then put this one down like that. And when you cut pineapple, you're gonna go like at least half inch deep. So you don't want the head, right? See the head right there. You don't want it. You want them to get out of here. Yeah, you see that? And you're gonna follow by the line like this. Make sure the pineapple eyes get out of here. See that? Just like that. Share you very clear. And then follow by the line again, just like that. Okay, don't worry about this one. You lose, you're gonna have a lot of pineapple meat anyway. Just follow by the line eyes like this, because this one, if you eat this one right here, it's gonna itchy your mouth, your tongue. You don't want this. Just keep going, just like that. I know some people have the technique how to cut, but my technique right here, very easy. Some people they use a machine, just cut in a cord out. You lose pineapple, you don't want to do that. You do on your own this way. So just like that, you see, one last cut right here. All the eyes in here get out of here. Only one left, a little bit. See that? How beautiful they look. Beautiful, right? See that? And then you're gonna divide by 2. Divide by 2. Just like that, okay? Divide by 2 and divide by another 2. What you do, you cut the cord out right here, the cord right here. The cord very hard to eat, but don't throw away either. The cord is the main one. Make a smoothie. And now you're gonna divide by 2 right here again. You're gonna cut one bite, just like that. Make sure just one bite. See that? Just like that. have one bite and put in a container right here. The quote right here, save it. If you cannot eat today, you put in the freezer. You can make a smoothie or you make the soup. The flavor of the, you can make the soup, any kind of soup you want. You throw this one down in your soup, you know, pork, chicken or fish, even good for the feet. Throw this down in there and then make a flavor. Okay guys, don't lose it because everything expensive. Okay, I show you one more time. Take this quote out like that. See that? And save it. Now, then divide by 2. Just for one. Just like that. Put in here. Cut. If you cannot feed it today, put in the freezer. Ziploc by Ziploc, small one, you know, you can pull out and eat fresh pineapple. And I got one more to go. Just show you over and over. Take off the cord right here. Off the cord right here. And save this cord right here. You go ahead, you put in the soup, make a flavor. You can cut small piece. Even you can eat if you want to. You know, sometimes you choose like a sugar cane. Choose the sugar cane and eat it because that one doesn't mean one holding everything like vitamin C, all that. Okay, let's go cut some more. Let's finish it up. Yeah, it's really easy. You know, pineapple is so good. We got the maize, guys. You know, only $1.99, some store $2.99. You go to Sam's Club, $2.99. It's very cheap. And you go to Hawaii's, only one pineapple almost $10. That's crazy expensive, you know. But I don't care. But I'm just been there and take a look at it. Just oh my God, we got a maize in where we live in Maryland, and we don't even can grow our pineapple at all. They're the one grow pineapple in there. That's what they say. They claim the pineapple island, but that's too expensive. It don't make sense to me, you know. Okay, there you have it, guys. Pineapple. There you go. There you have it, guys. Eat pineapple, so healthy, easy to cut. You can eat whole week or month. That's only $6 right here. It's very cheap. You got a maize. Go ahead, take advantage to go get some and buy, and then cut, put in the freezer. Okay, this is another one, guys. I'm gonna try to grow pineapple flower right here. I'm gonna go ahead, just put in the water, let them grow the roots. Okay, see it grows root, so I can put in the pot and plant them, make a beautiful, might grow pineapple for you to eat too, never know. So that's what I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, so they're beautiful flower on top of the water jar. Let's grow pineapple root. There come another one. 2 of them. Put in the jar and let's see how they grow. That's beautiful. Wow. Okay, right there, we'll see if it grow for me. Okay, guys, come back, take a look about 2-3 weeks. Okay, 3 of them. See if I can grow them. Okay, just put in a Ziploc bag. If you cannot finish today, you put in the freezer and eat that. Okay, guys, very easy. Look at this. Put in a Ziploc bag just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put in a Ziploc bag and crush the coat, pineapple coat right there. You save it. You can throw in a smoothie or you can make a soup. When you make a soup, you can eat it too because you make soup it can be soft. You cut 4-5 pieces, throw in the fish soup. You make a sour, hot and sour fish soup. So you throw this one down in the fish. So what kind of fish you want? Salmon fish, that's the best. Do it. This is a good one, okay? Don't throw away anything like that. And that's here you go. Ziploc bag pineapple. You eat for a long time. You want to eat. If you finish 1 week, good. This is stay good for 1 week. If you don't finish it, put in the freezer, take it out, throw in the blender, and make a smoothie.